Hey everyone, today we're talking about gadflies, those pesky little creatures that can be a real nuisance to livestock. Now, gadflies, also known as botflies, belong to the family Gasterophilidae. They are not your typical flies, though. You see, gadflies are actually insect parasites, meaning they rely on other animals to survive. Let's talk about their appearance. Gadflies are pretty distinctive. They are usually about 1/2 inch long, with a hairy body and a pair of large, prominent eyes. They are often a dull yellow or brown color, blending in with their surroundings. Now, what do these little guys feed on? Well, you might be surprised to learn that adult gadflies don't actually feed on blood. They don't even have mouthparts for biting. Instead, their primary focus is on reproduction. So, how do they survive? Well, the adult female gadfly lays her eggs on the fur of animals like horses, cows, and even sheep. These eggs are usually laid in areas where the animal can't easily reach them, like the flanks or the belly. Once the eggs hatch, the larvae, which are called bots, burrow into the animal's skin. They then spend a significant amount of time living inside their host, feeding on the animal's tissues and fluids. It's a pretty gruesome process, but it's how gadflies ensure their survival. Now, these bots can cause a lot of problems for their host animals. They can cause irritation, inflammation, and even internal damage. In severe cases, they can even lead to death. So, while gadflies might seem like harmless little flies, they're actually quite a serious threat to livestock. Hey everyone, today we're talking about gadflies, specifically the Gasterophilidae family. These guys are fascinating, but also a bit gross, because they're insect parasites. Let's start with their reproduction. Gadflies have a pretty unique life cycle. The females lay their eggs on the fur of horses, cattle, or other mammals. These eggs are usually laid near the animal's mouth, nostrils, or even on their legs. When the eggs hatch, the larvae burrow into the animal's skin, often entering through the mouth or nostrils. Now, where do these little guys live? Gadflies are found all over the world, but they are particularly common in warmer climates. They are found in North America, South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. So, what's the harm? Well, the larvae can cause a lot of problems for their host animals. They can cause irritation, inflammation, and even damage to the animal's tissues. In some cases, the larvae can even migrate to the animal's internal organs, causing serious health problems. It's important to note that gadflies can also be a nuisance to humans. They can bite, and their bites can be painful and itchy. In some cases, gadflies can even transmit diseases. So, there you have it, a quick look at gadflies, these fascinating but sometimes troublesome parasites.